Hey there, cleaning friends. On this video, I want to talk about cancellation policy and how I do it and why it's good to have in place. Running a cleaning business, we are going into our clients' homes or offices. So we need to physically be able to do our job. Now, if something comes up on the client end that they don't want us there, that they need to reschedule, we need to be told in advance so that we can then fill that spot in so that we're not stuck without making any money, because we don't get paid sick days or paid vacation days. If we don't work, we don't make money. I think sometimes as professional cleaners, we feel empathetic for our clients. We want the best for them. And if something comes up, we feel bad. And we almost feel bad asking for money if we're not working. But here's how you have to look at this. You are running a business. Uncle Sam does not care that your client canceled on you. Your bills don't care that your client canceled on you. Your employees don't care that your client canceled on you. You need to look at this as a business that you are running, because that's what it is. Clients need to understand that we're running a cleaning business. I'm not bartering. I'm not selling tchotchkes at a yard sale. I'm not just trying to get rid of stuff in my house and I'll just take a couple bucks off. No, that's not how a business operates. So how do you incorporate a cancellation policy? I have in my terms and conditions that I need to be notified within 24 hours of the cleaning if the client needs to reschedule during business hours, meaning Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. If your cleaning is on a Monday and you realize on a Sunday that the carpet installer is coming the day that I'm going to be there, which is the following day, and you text me on Sunday and let me know that I can't come, I'm going to charge a $50 cancellation fee. My cancellation fee is $50. Yours may be higher, yours may be lower, but that's the fee that I feel comfortable with. The reason why I say during business hours is because if it's a Saturday or Sunday, it may be harder for me to fill that spot now, because if I go and text other people to see if they want that Monday for cleaning, they may not be available. It's a weekend. I may not be checking my text message on a Sunday. So if my client texts me on a Sunday, I may not get to it as quickly. That's why I require Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 business hours, to let me know at least 24 hours in advance if the client needs to reschedule. If they tell me 3 or 4 days in advance, that's even better. The earlier that a client can notify me that they need to reschedule, the better it is for me. Of course, there's going to be situations where somebody wakes up in the middle of the night or in the early morning and somebody is sick in the house, or the client doesn't feel well and they don't want me in the house. Yes, please let me know immediately if there's any kind of ailments or illnesses or sicknesses going on. I don't want to be in your space. I don't want to get sick. And you need peace and quiet to get better. You don't need me in there vacuuming. So there are times that I may get a text at 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning, the day of, telling me I'm not feeling well, my kid's been up all night, whatever it is, and then I will reschedule. And I don't charge them a cancellation fee because sicknesses happen. I can get sick and have to reschedule. My client may have to reschedule. That's where, as a professional, you have to have grace and some compassion and understanding and just reschedule them. I know it sucks because now you're out of money or out of work that day. Your employee is out of work that day. Maybe it just messed up your entire schedule, but that is what we have to deal with when we're in the service industry. I send a message out to all my clients the week before they're cleaning via text or email to remind them that I'm going to be there next week. And then I also send a reminder the day before the cleaning. Hi, I'll be there tomorrow morning. And then the morning of, I will send a message. Hey, I'll be there in half an hour. Hey, I'll be there in 3 hours. So they have ample time to know that I'm on my way. One time I had a client who I had texted the week before, hey, I'll be there on Wednesday for cleaning. Yay, great, sure, see you then. Then Tuesday came and I texted them again, hey, I'll be there tomorrow for cleaning in the afternoon. Yeah, see you then. A few hours go by. They text me in the evening, around 6:30 or so in the evening, saying, oh my God, Kathy, I'm so sorry. I just remembered that the contractor's coming tomorrow to install new flooring, and we can't have you here tomorrow because what's the point of you cleaning and the guy's ripping up the floor? I wrote back, okay, fine, I'll get you a different date. And in the meanwhile, here's how you could send a $50 cancellation fee. To which they replied back, a cancellation fee? And I wrote back saying, yes, you're telling me at 6:30 in the evening that I can't come tomorrow in the morning when you knew I was coming a week before. And I texted you several hours before and you said all was fine. So they did go and they pay the cancellation fee, and I did reschedule them, and I went and I did the cleaning, and everything was fine. But in my mind, I'm thinking to myself, your lack of scheduling me or your lack of forgetting that I'm coming is not my fault. And I, as a business owner, should not be reprimanded by not being able to make income because you, as the client, forgot or didn't write it down or whatever the situation is, especially after we had already discussed a week prior and a few hours prior. This is where, as business owners, you need to be able to put your foot down and say, okay, here's the cancellation fee. I should not be stuck not being able to work because of the client's lack of scheduling or whatever the situation is. But it also shows the client, listen, I'm running a legitimate business here. I'm not here playing games. I'm not here haggling at a yard sale. I have a schedule. I schedule clients months and months out. I need to know what I'm doing every single day. So if your date is this date, you need to respect that date and you need to respect my time. Because if you don't respect my time, I will find another client that will. But in the meanwhile, if you cancel last minute, I am going to charge you for it because now I am out of work because you decided to cancel at the last minute. As business owners, we need to stay firm and we need to show our clients that we are serious about our business. I am serious about the cleaning business that I created. This is my baby. This is my source of income. This is how I provide for my household. So I respect my time and value. I respect my clients' time and value. My clients need to respect my time and value. Implementing a cancellation policy, hitting them in their purse respectfully and with reason is the only way that clients will take you seriously, in my opinion. That's how I deal with cancellations. Hope those tips help. If you want to see my cancellation policy, let me know and I can put it down below so you can see what it looks like. Let me know if you have a cancellation policy. How much do you charge for your cancellation policy? Has it worked out for you? And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, follow, love, share, all that good stuff to keep my views going so that more professional cleaners can see my videos and get more tips. And thanks so much for watching my video. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.